with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 I'm safe and sound.
Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done styling this wig. And the only thing that I had to do was cut some of the lace off this side of the closure because it had started to bald. Now I do seal my closures with Dritz fabric glue. However, it was right near the hairline where I do the most manipulation. So it doesn't matter how well you seal your closures. Manipulation is eventually going to release the knots. So I did have to cut the lace back a little bit, but I think it looks okay. I didn't, you know, pre-pluck it too in-depth because this side looks a lot better. It looks a lot more realistic because, you know, I took my time to pluck it. This I kind of just went through real quick. So it's whatever. I still think it looks nice, but of course it doesn't look as good as this side. And then if you notice, this side does come out a little bit farther than this side, because like I said, I did have to cut some of the lace off. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. And now I'm just manipulating the top of the hair to try to give it some height and texture. And I do that with the Jane Carter Wrap and Roll Smooth Styling Mousse. It's a foam, so it comes out as a foam through the pump. And I use that to lay my baby hairs when I want baby hairs. Today I don't really have baby hairs. I have just a tiny little swoop, but I didn't style it that way. That's just how the wig lays now, because I have been wearing this wig for like non-stop a couple of months. Hence also why the hairline had started to shed a little bit, but I'm very happy with how long this wig has held up. And once again, this is a closure from Barry's Hair. It's a 7x7 transparent lace closure, and then the bundles are from Ali Julia Hair. I'll find the I'll find my initial unboxing video, which I don't even remember if I did an initial unboxing, but I know I've talked about this hair before. So this is pretty much my favorite wig right now. It's a good 16 inches. I love it. I'm probably going to revamp it in a few weeks because I'm kind of getting bored of the purpley brown I got going on. I think I might, you know, put something else on top of it, but as far as the style goes, I love it. Now, I think the last time I did an update on this hair, I said I wasn't getting any shedding, or maybe I didn't say it, but this hair sheds. It doesn't, I wouldn't say it sheds a lot, but it sheds enough to be annoying. That's still happening, but it's not to the point where you're going to leave hairballs anywhere, but you are going to notice it when you comb your hair. It will get in your brush. And if you're curious where I got this brush from, this is off Amazon. I'll leave the link down below in the description box. It's kind of like a Tangle teaser dupe. I use this on all my wigs. So, yeah. Oh, don't forget to check out my Poshmark, because y'all know I was wearing that orange wig for a couple weeks, and I got kind of bored of that because I wanted some length. So that is available on my Poshmark if you want to purchase it. All of my wigs that I wear end up on my Poshmark, and they are always extremely low prices, especially if they have been worn. Now, if it's just a wig I made and it hasn't been worn and I customized it, then it, you know, it's going to be a little bit more expensive. But I usually don't sell my wigs above $200. So yeah, any questions about that, just leave them down below in the comment section, or just message me on Poshmark and I will get back to you. Anyway, I'm rambling. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I hope to see you in the next video.